Hello, it's me, Adink. Today we're going to solve one of nature's most interesting mysteries. Look, here's a little cloud, cute and fluffy. But where does rain come from? Let's find out. It all starts here, with water. In rivers, lakes, and even puddles. When the sun warms the water, tiny droplets become so light that they start to rise into the air. This is called evaporation. And the droplets rise higher and higher. But the higher they go, the colder it gets. And do you know what happens? The droplets start coming together, hugging each other. That's how a cloud forms. It's made of millions of tiny droplets holding on to each other. The cloud grows. There are more and more droplets. They become so heavy that the cloud can't hold them anymore. It gets darker and darker. And then, it's time. Rain! The droplets fall back down to the ground. They water the flowers, fill the rivers, and give animals something to drink. Then the sun comes out again, and it all starts over. This is called the water cycle. Look at this beautiful cycle. Water rises up, gathers into a cloud, falls as rain, and returns again. Nature doesn't lose a single drop. Now we know why it rains. Did you already know that? Subscribe if you enjoyed it. We've got many more nature secrets ahead. Bye-bye!